I don't know really. Next one, this one is drying out because it was sitting open because someone left it open. It wasn't me. But this is my Galaxy. It's just blue with red and white glitter. I better just. Next, I have my Cuddle Purple, and this is just purple. I'll make a part 2.